Imagine you are floating, not falling, not drifting. Floating. The Earth is gone. The sun is a dying spark behind you. Every star you've ever seen from a backyard, every constellation your grandmother taught you, all of it has collapsed into a single glowing smear in the distance. You are moving faster than any human being has ever moved. Faster than our fastest spacecraft. Faster than anything we've ever built. And yet, after 1 million years of travel, you are no closer to the edge than when you started. In fact, you are further away. The universe isn't just big. It is running from you. At first, it looks like the most beautiful thing you've ever seen. Galaxies spiral past you like slow-motion fireworks. Nebulae bleed color across billions of miles. Deep violet, electric blue, burning amber. The silence is total. The darkness between stars feels almost peaceful, like standing in a field at midnight. You think, this is what forever looks like. But something is wrong. You check your instruments. You've been traveling for 10 million years at the speed of light, the absolute speed limit of reality, and the edge of the observable universe is not getting closer. It is receding, growing further with every second that passes, not because you're slow, but because space itself is expanding faster than light can chase it. You are not exploring the universe. You are being swallowed by it. Here's the problem with scale. Your brain cannot process it. No human brain can. The observable universe is 93 billion light-years across. But observable is the key word. It's the part light has had time to reach us from since the Big Bang. Beyond that horizon, more universe. Possibly infinite universe. Regions of space that are so far away, the light they're emitting right now will never reach us. Not in 1 trillion years, not ever. Those galaxies exist. Stars are being born there. Planets are forming, and we will never, ever know. The universe has secrets it is physically incapable of sharing with us. But it gets worse. Even if you could travel at light speed, Einstein already told us what happens. Time slows down for you. The universe ages around you at a terrifying rate. You leave Earth for what feels like a week, and return to find it has been dead for 10,000 years. You don't just lose the destination. You lose everything you came from, and you still haven't reached the edge, because there is no edge. Not in the way you're imagining. No wall, no boundary, no place where space simply stops. Space doesn't end. It curves. If you traveled in a perfectly straight line for long enough, physics suggests you might loop back to where you started. The universe is not a room. It is something for which human language has no word. And this is where things change. The expansion isn't slowing down. It's accelerating. Something called dark energy, a force we cannot see, cannot measure directly, cannot explain, is pushing everything apart at an increasing rate. Every second, galaxies that are currently visible to us are being pushed beyond our reach forever. Right now, as you watch this, entire galaxies are crossing the horizon, winking out, gone from our universe permanently. We are not discovering the cosmos. We are losing it. But that's not even the worst part. In approximately 2 trillion years, every galaxy beyond our local cluster will have crossed that horizon. The sky will go dark. No stars from outside. No signals. No light. A civilization born then, intelligent, curious looking up, would see only blackness. They would have no evidence the universe was ever larger than their own galaxy. They would conclude they were alone. And they would be right. In every way that matters, the universe is not just vast. It is disappearing. And it started disappearing the moment it was born. We build telescopes, we launch probes, we point our instruments at the dark and beg the cosmos for answers. But the universe does not owe us answers. It does not owe us edges or endings, or meaning. It expands without asking permission. It erases without regret. We didn't discover the universe, we just lived long enough to realize we were already lost inside it.